Here with head coach Shannon Libachuk following today's conference opener at UNH. Coach, a tough loss. Could you talk a little bit about the team's overall performance today?
I essentially said we were our own worst enemy. I think we lost this game in the first 5 minutes. We were somewhat disorganized and not marked tightly in the circle, and it resulted in 2 goals. 65 minutes left, I thought we outplayed them. We competed hard. We put a ball in the net to kind of crawl back into it, but we just didn't have enough time.
Looked like a different team coming out in the second half. What did you see from UNH that you made adjustments for in the second half, and what did you see from your own team that you talked about at halftime needing to adjust?
Well, I think just in general, we just need to be more productive in the attacking 30 area. We had some really great long balls in the first half, but we weren't gaining anything out of it. We talked about getting better touches and putting some things, shots on cage. If we don't shoot, you're not going to score. So we just talked about putting a little bit more emphasis on productivity, and I thought they did a great job of that.
Came out and pressured hard at the start of the second half, 4 corners in a row, and finally broke through with a goal by Georgia. Could you talk a little bit about that play and the goal by her?
Well, I think Georgia had been playing really well and just hadn't had the opportunity to put the ball in the net like she wanted to. So I just think that overall she's a great leader on that forward line for us, and she knew it was in her hands to make a difference in the game, and she certainly put us within reach to try to go and tie it up, but it was a great finish on her behalf, and we're looking for more from her.
And lastly, just a quick turnaround tomorrow, taking on Harvard at home. Could you talk about what's your big focus going into tomorrow with such a quick turnaround?
I just think that we've been working on our fitness, so there's no concern on playing back-to-back games. I think physically we're ready. I would say Harvard plays a little bit different style. They're going to run a little bit, so we just need to be prepared for that and stay disciplined the entire time like we did for 65 minutes today, and I think we'll see the result that we want.
Thanks, Coach.